Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Sobia Afzal and I welcome you all in chemistry class. Hope that you all are doing well. Today we are going to study second part of symbols and formulae in which we will discuss chemical formula in detail. We will also discuss what are molecules and compounds, what are the types of compounds, what are ions, types of ions and how are they generated. Let's have a quick recap of previous concepts. In first lesson, we have studied in detail about symbols of elements. The abbreviation used instead of full name of an element is called the symbol of that element. An abbreviation is a shorthand notation. We use many abbreviations in our daily life. High tech itself is an abbreviation. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, CNG, compressed natural gas. Such like these abbreviations, elements are also represented by their abbreviated forms known as symbols. Elements combine together to form molecules or compounds to attain stability or to complete their valence shells. But some elements can exist independently as atoms. These elements are known as noble gases, just like their names. These elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. These elements have complete valence shell and they are stable. Outermost shell of an atom is known as its valence shell. Now we will focus on our today's topic, that is chemical formula in detail. A chemical formula is a shorthand notation of a molecule or a compound in terms of symbols. For example, chemical formula for water molecule is H2O, chemical formula of carbon dioxide is CO2, and chemical formula for glucose molecule is C6H12O6. In a chemical formula, we see that there is a number written to the lower right of an element. This number is known as subscript. For example, in a molecule of glucose, we see that there is 6 subscript which is used with carbon atom, 12 is used with hydrogen atom, and 6 with oxygen. It means that it has 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. If there is no subscript, then there is just one atom. Like in water molecule H2O, there is no subscript with oxygen atom. That means there is only one oxygen atom in water molecule. H2O, it has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Molecules are formed when 2 or more atoms chemically combine together. These atoms may be of same element or of different elements. For example, hydrogen H2, oxygen O2, chlorine Cl2. These are the examples of molecules. While water H2O and CO2, these are also the examples of molecules. Hydrogen molecule, oxygen molecule, and chlorine molecule. These are formed by the chemical combination of atoms of same element, while water and carbon dioxide, these are formed by the chemical combination of atoms of different elements. Remember students, it doesn't matter if the atoms are the same or are different from each other. These molecules are represented in terms of symbols, which is known as their molecular formula. Here are some examples of molecular formulas: methane CH4, ethane C2H6, water H2O, benzene C6H6, and acetic acid C2O2H4. What is the importance of molecular formula? A molecular formula gives us complete information that which elements make up the molecule and how many atoms of each element are present in a molecule of a compound. Again, I am giving the example of glucose, C6H12O6. Its formula gives us complete information that it has 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. What are the types of molecules, or what is the main difference between molecule and a compound? Molecules are of two types, molecules of elements and molecules of compounds. Molecules of elements are formed by chemical combination of atoms of same element, like molecule of hydrogen, molecule of oxygen, and molecule of chlorine. While molecules of compounds are formed by chemical combination of atoms of different elements, like water, which is formed by chemical combination of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Hydrogen chloride, it is formed by chemical combination of 1 hydrogen atom and 1 chlorine atom. Methane is also an example of molecule of compound. Methane is also known as sui gas or natural gas. Molecule is a broader term. All the molecules are not compounds. For example, O2, oxygen molecule. It is formed by chemical combination of two atoms of oxygen element. So it is a molecule, but it is not a chemical compound. Students, please remember that molecules are made up of two or more atoms of same or different elements, while compounds are made up of chemical combination of two or more atoms of different elements. When a chemical compound is represented in terms of symbols, it is known as chemical formula of that compound. There are two types of chemical compounds, and chemical compounds are classified on the basis of their formation: molecular compounds and ionic compounds. Compounds that consist of atoms joined by covalent bonds are called molecular compounds. Such compounds exist as molecules. And the force of attraction which hold the atoms together by mutual sharing of electrons is called covalent bonds. And examples of molecular compounds are water, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, ammonia, and methane. Chemical formula of molecular compounds give us complete information, and it tells us the actual number of atoms present in a molecule. While ionic compounds are the compounds that consist of ions joined by ionic bonds, or strong electrostatic forces of attraction are called ionic compounds. And ionic bond is a bond which is formed by transference of one or more electrons from one atom to another atom. Examples of ionic compounds are sodium chloride, magnesium oxide, calcium chloride, and sodium fluoride. Chemical formula of ionic compounds doesn't tell us the actual number of ions. It tells us the simplest ratio between the positive and negative ions. Any species having positive or negative charge is known as ions. Ions are of two types. Positive ions are called cations, while negatively charged ions are called anions. When an atom loses one or more electrons, it gets positive charge and it is named as a cation. While when an atom gains one or more electrons, it gets negative charge and hence it is named as an anion. Examples of Positive ions are like sodium ion, Na plus 1, it has plus 1 charge because it is formed by loss of 1 electron. Magnesium ion, Mg plus 2, it has plus 2 charge because it is formed by loss of 2 electrons by an oxygen atom. Aluminium ion, Al plus 3, it has plus 3 charge because it is formed by loss of 3 electrons by aluminium atom. And examples of anions or negative ions are like chloride ion, Cl minus 1. It has minus 1 charge because it is formed by gain of 1 electron by chlorine atom. Oxide ion, O minus 2. It is formed when oxygen atom gains 2 electrons. Phosphide ion, minus 3. It is formed when phosphorus atom gains 3 electrons. Cations move towards cathode during electrolysis, hence they are named as cations, while anions move towards anode during electrolysis, hence they are named as anions. These are the video links. These are very useful video links. You must watch these video links and then you will solve this homework. Question number 1 is define following by giving examples. Chemical formula and chemical compound. You have to define these by giving at least 3 to 4 examples for each definition. Then differentiate between cation and anion. We have discussed it in detail. You will make headings like definition, formation, and third point, reason for naming, and then example. Then question number 3 is differentiate between molecular and ionic compounds. This question has also been discussed in the topic or in the lesson. Then question number 4 is show the difference between diatomic and triatomic molecules with examples. This question is taken from exercise. Diatomic means consisting of 2 atoms and triatomic means consisting of 3 atoms. Then you will define diatomic molecule and triatomic molecule. A diatomic molecule consists of 2 atoms of same element or of different elements, while a triatomic molecule consists of 3 atoms of same element or of different elements. Examples of diatomic molecules are hydrogen H2, oxygen molecule O2, nitrogen molecule N2, chlorine molecule Cl2, carbon monoxide O2. It is also an example of diatomic molecule. Then HCl, hydrogen chloride, which is formed by chemical combination of one hydrogen atom and one chlorine atom. And examples of triatomic molecules are O3, ozone. It is formed by 3 oxygen atoms. So it is an example of triatomic molecule. H2O, water. CO2, carbon dioxide. SO2, sulfur dioxide. CS2, carbon disulfide. H2S, hydrogen sulfide. These all are the examples of triatomic molecules. I hope students you have understood the topic. Thank you, students.